All right, the Jeep is completely covered. We've got plastic on everything. All the stuff we don't want bedliner on. So it's time to sand. You can do this by hand. I have a piece of 40 grit sandpaper. It's a sticky back. I'm gonna fold it in half like this so that I can do it by hand. You can do the floor in a Jeep just as quick by hand as you were if you were to put this on a pneumatic sander, an orbital sander, or even just an electric sander. What I would recommend for you to do is make sure that you take care of all your corner spaces and get good scratching marks in so that you get good adhesion for the primer to go down, and then you get good adhesion for the bedliner to go on top of the primer. Now it's time to sand. Let's get to it.